strangers. I'm so sorry. I just disappeared. I wanted to come back and explain whether I'm coming back to YouTube, what you can expect, what's happening. I am on the set of the online course for style language. I've been working like a crazy person to create this beautiful online course, and it has taken a tremendous amount of not only my time, but my like creative capacity. It's basically been writing the book proposal and creating the online course in tandem. And it is so meaningful and so powerful to me that I really wanted to do it justice. And I just felt like I didn't have the time to do that. ROCKNOT has been a huge success. I've been working on building it, new products coming out, things have been selling out, I've been developing, and I'm a one-woman show. Across the board. I am a one-woman show when it comes to style language. I shoot, edit, produce all of my own YouTube videos. I do all my own social media. I ship every order. Like, it's really a lot. And I love it, and I'm so happy that I have all these amazing things going on, but ultimately, I felt like I would have started releasing some pretty lame YouTube videos. And so I was like, instead of putting out bad, cheesy videos that are not worth your attention, I just thought I'd take a break. So my goal and my hope is to come back in November. That's what I'm hoping for. You know, be editing this style language online course, which is a beast. And so there's quite a lot of editing to do, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to squeeze in some videos and do some really fun DIYs because I miss you guys, and I really do miss DIYing. I haven't DIY'd anything since I haven't done a video because I just haven't had the time. So I really want to get back. If you don't have notifications clicked, I'd really recommend doing that because then you'll just get a notification as soon as the videos are back up because I don't know exactly what date that will be. I also want to say thank you to everybody who sent me an email and a message, seeing those like emails coming in like, where are you? I need you. Seriously, made me so happy. I love you. That was like the best thing ever. So I thank you so much for checking on me, and I just wanted to like drop a quick little message here so you guys know what's going on. I hope everyone's doing great, and hopefully I will be back on the reg in November. Okay, that's it. I love you. Bye.